Hi everyone, Rob Holmes, Head of Transactions at Silta, and in this second video I'm going to show to you our newly released Borrowers Portal. So the Borrowers Portal is a private area of our impact marketplace where potential borrowers that are seeking funds for their sustainable infrastructure projects can submit pre-qualification applications to Silta. So before a borrower can make an application, they need to register for an account on our Borrowers Portal. So you can do that by clicking on Borrower Login at the top right-hand corner of the screen here, and then on Sign Up. The initial account registration process is really simple. You'll just need to provide some basic details, including your name and email, and create a password. Once you've registered, you can log in with your email and password, as I'm doing now. And you'll be taken to our Borrowers Portal. So here you can create a new pre-qualification application, and you can also edit an existing one or monitor your current submissions. So the pre-qualification application is the first initial screening stage before detailed due diligence is undertaken on a borrower's project. So if I go ahead now and create a new loan application, as I'm doing, at this stage, you're going to be asked for some very basic personal details about the main contact from the company that is seeking a loan for their project. On the next page, you'll also need to provide some basic information about the company itself. And as you can see, there are tooltips in certain places on the screen to help guide you through certain questions. Here's another one. On the next page, we will need you to upload some documentation in order to verify the company, its shareholders, owners and officers as part of our initial KYC on the borrower, as you can see here. And then in our final section of the form is where you'll get the chance to submit some more detailed information about the infrastructure project that the company would like to develop. Now, this section includes some questions with regards to the project's sustainable impacts. An impact is really important to Silta. We want to elevate the importance of impact in our due diligence. So we ask you to initially indicate the SDGs that your project will contribute towards. And then we also ask you to describe the various impacts your project will have on the environment and society in more detail. After that, we ask you for some initial indications about the timing of when the loan is needed, about the seniority and the type of loan that's required, and also some descriptive information about the project and the developer of the project. We also ask the borrower to indicate the total capital, the loan amount, the preferred loan tenor, an interest rate that they'd like to achieve. We ask for some information about the project timetable, the project modality, and then finally the expected returns to be generated by the project. And once you've finally completed the form, you can either save your application as a draft and return to it later, or you can submit to our team and we'll respond to you as soon as possible to inform you if your pre-qualification application has been successful or not, and whether you can move on to the next stage of detailed due diligence. So that's the end of this second video. Remember that if you're a potential borrower who's seeking funds to develop an impactful infrastructure project, you can register to our portal and start submitting applications to Silta.